Hello students. So today under light reflection and refraction chapter we are going to do the sum of the problems. In the previous class also we have done few problems. So let us continue with our problem. An object of 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So what is the given here? Here the given is concave mirror is given. So concave mirror, this is the pole in the case of concave mirror. This is the principal focus and this is the center of curvature. So a 4 centimeter height, for example, this is considered as 4 centimeter of height of that object is placed in front of the mirror. That means U value is given. That is object distance is given 25 centimeter. That is, and the concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter is given. Concave mirror focal length means it is you are going to have that it as negative 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should screen be placed? So at what distance should we image is forming, so that in that form you can place a screen to obtain a sharp image. Find the nature and size of the image here. Now let me write what are the parameters given. H given. You know H is equals to height of the object. We are going to represent at H here. H is plus 4 centimeter. Why it is plus 4? You know, if it is given that is perpendicular to the principal axis means obviously it is plus 4 centimeter. It is placed at 25 centimeter means U value given minus 25 centimeter, because always the object will be placed on the left side of the pole, that is left side of the origin, then it will be negative 25 centimeter. F principal for the focal length here given is 15 centimeter. Focal length given means in the case of concave mirror, you know it will be negative 15 centimeter. What the thing you have to find it out? We have to find it out, that is the image distance. H dash you have to find out, that is height of the image you have to find. So let me use the formula. So what is the formula? We know that is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 divided by F. This is the mirror formula. So now let me interchange the formula to get the V value. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F as it is, plus 1 by U. When it comes to here it becomes minus 1 by U here. Let me substitute the values. 1 by V is equals to 1 divided by F, 1 divided by minus 15 minus 1 divided by U. 1 divided by U means how much it is? Minus 25. Minus 25 and this minus will comes to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 divided by 25. So now let me take the LCM for this. So if I take the LCM, 1 by V is equals to, you will be getting as 75. So if 75 is the LCM means 15, 5 it is 75. So I have to here 5 plus 25, 3 it is 75. So plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 75. I am getting 1 by V is, so 1 by V is minus 2 divided by 75. What is the V value then? V value equals to 75 divided by minus 2. So V value will become 75 by 2 means minus 37.5 centimeter. So this is the what we have got. Image distance you are getting as 35.7, that is negative. If you have got the negative value means that image will be formed here, that is in front of the mirror. If you have got the image means then you are able to say if the value you got negative means image is forming in front of the mirror. If the image is forming in front of the mirror means then that type of image is real as well as inverted image. So where should be placed? At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? For that question, what is the answer? So screen should be placed screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror, so that the image which is formed, nature of the image is formed is real and inverted image. Okay, real and inverted image. Okay, so now we have got this value where the image will be formed. Now we have to find the height of the image. To find the height of the image, you know the formula. M is equals to h dash divided by h. Correct. Another one formula is there. What is that? Minus v divided by u. So here m also we don't know. Only we are knowing is h value. By knowing h value, can't find out the h dash because m is also not given. So we have to use another one formula. What formula I can use is m is equals to h dash by h, and also m is equals to minus v by u. Correct. So now let me take that as h dash by h is equals to minus of v by u. Correct. If m is equals to this one and this one, then h dash by h is equals to minus v by u. Now let me cross multiply this formula. If I cross multiply this, so what I can do? I can get h dash u. H dash u is equals to minus of h into v. Okay. H dash u is equals to minus of h into v. So by this you can able to find the h dash value. So how we are getting is h dash equals to minus h v divided by u. Correct. H dash value equals to minus h v divided by u. So we know h value, we know v value, we know u value. Now we can able to find the height, whether the size of the image is smaller or whether the size of the image is larger here. So now let me substitute that h dash equals to minus of h value 4 into v value. V value you have got 30 minus of 37.5 divided by u value. U value is negative 25. Correct. To minus into minus, here it becomes plus here. 4 into 37.5, you will be getting minus 150 divided by 25. Minus 150 divided by 25 means if I divide it, minus 6 centimeter I am getting. Minus 6. Here only it is mentioning. First we have got it. The image is forming in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror only you can able to say the image formed is real and inverted. Another one proof for that is here you are getting negative. If h dash value is negative means the image will be formed inverted. Why? Because this is the principal axis means the downwards position represents negative value. So image here confirmly says it is forming inverted image. And what is this 6? 6 here represents height of the image. Height of the object, how much it was? 4 centimeter. Height of the image is 6 centimeter. How you can compare whether it is enlarged image is formed or the diminished image is formed? So the nature or the size of the image here formed is enlarged image. So I can write it is enlarged image. So what is the position of the image here? Position of the image is in front of the mirror. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Size of the image, enlarged image. Okay, by this you can able to find out all the position, size as well as nature of image. I hope everyone understood this. So let me try another one formula or another one problem.